oil prices start the week out moving higher, continuing a trend that started 4 days ago. Today getting all the way up to $71.80, just shy of $72 a barrel, and closing up over $2. Now, last week we put in some pretty good lows nearing the monthly October low, down near $67 a barrel. So it's been a very quick turnaround. Again, seeing oil prices rally, despite the fact that we did have a very weak jobs number last week. They continued to rally through it. Today we saw a weaker dollar helping to push those oil prices higher. But again, a lot of uncertainty out there, whether it be U.S. election risk, whether it be Middle East risk, whether it be uncertainty about the economy. A lot of reasons why oil prices have been moving all over the map. But today, seeing the trend that started late last week continue moving higher, and again seeing a big move up to $71.80 and closing up over $2 today. Now, what does this mean for volatility? Well, check out that CVOL index over at cmegroup.com. You'll see volatility has made a big move higher as prices are moving higher. Again, there's some event risk priced into that, as I mentioned earlier, the U.S. elections, maybe things that are happening in the Middle East, as well as the economy. So a lot going on. Some of those uncertainties may be answered this week with U.S. presidential election. We also will hear directly from the Fed at November FOMC. Some of those answers may help clear up some of the uncertainties. But for right now, we're seeing volatility moving higher as prices move higher. Lastly, let's talk about positioning and what are speculators doing? Well, as of last Tuesday, speculators were exiting their net long position. So as prices were nearing their lows, speculators were exiting their positions. Now, we've seen a quick turnaround, so it'll be interesting to see if they're adding back to their net long positions at this week's CFTC report, which will come on Friday. So opening up the week, oil continues the trend that started late last week, moving higher, getting almost to $72 a barrel, ahead of this week's key U.S. presidential elections and November FOMC, which comes on Thursday.